Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick, simple and easy grilled fish recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So to begin with, we're going to create our spice blend. First, I've started off with some lemon and herb spice. Then to that, I'm going to be adding a little bit of paprika. And then to that mix, I'm going to be adding some cake flour. I will then give this a quick mix just so that I can evenly combine all the spices and the flour together. Now, in order for me to have the vibrant yellow color, I'm also going to be adding some turmeric spice, and then I'll be giving that a quick mix as well. And this is what your fish spice blend will look like at the end. Then we're going to proceed to our hake. I am using petite hake fillets, and I've just squeezed mine there just to illustrate to you guys that you need to make sure that you remove any excess water from your fish. I'm doing that using some paper towel. So I've basically let my fish thaw from a frozen state, and then from there I'm going to be removing the excess water like I've shown you. Then next, into another pan, you're going to be adding your spice blend. If you don't have a lot of fish to make, I would recommend that you don't add all the spice blend at once, because once you start dipping your fish in there, you cannot reuse it again. So once you've evenly distributed it like that, you will then move over and lay your fish inside. So you can use two methods. You can lay it face down and just press on it until all the surfaces of the fish are evenly covered with the spice. Make sure that you cover the sides as well as the skin side as well. The other method I'll show you in a second will be for you to just put your fish and then sprinkle the spices on top of your fish, as you'll see now. Both work effectively fine. The main thing is you need to make sure that you press your spice blend onto your fish. So you'll proceed and do this to all the fish pieces that you've got, and then in a skillet you're just going to heat up some oil, and then you will start with your fish skin side up. And just remember not to cramp your fish inside your pan. I am using a non-stick pan, so that also helps a lot. Then we're just going to allow our fish to cook through for about 5 minutes on each side. And always make sure that you move your fish about, making sure that any pieces that are not currently being cooked through get exposed to the oil and the surface of the pan. Once your fish has cooked through on both sides, you can then turn it over and put the skin side down, and you'll allow that to cook away for about a minute to a minute and a half. You will continue to repeat these steps for all the remaining fillets of fish that you've got, and that is it. It's a quick, simple and easy recipe. I'd recommend that you make this about 15 minutes before serving. It's always best to serve your fish fresh, and you can garnish it with anything you like. I've just garnished mine with some fresh chives, and that is it. It's a quick, simple and easy recipe. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment and like this video. I will see you next time. Bye.